Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 86 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into Robinhood Recap March edition. If you haven't had the chance, I've literally been doing these recaps literally for the last 6 months. So if you want to, feel free to go back and check out the first one, the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. And I'll continue doing them every single month to update you on where every single one of my accounts is. So that way you guys know, and that way we can have a little bit more transparency with the videos. These videos are meant for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You are responsible for your assets and to properly protect them. So always, please do your own research. This month, I actually took a break off of swing trading. I really didn't make that many swing trades. Actually, this month I had 2 swing trades, and they were both positions that I had in February that ran over into March when I closed my positions. Actually, I think I closed one on March 1st and then March 2nd as well. The nice thing was that both of them were for a profit. With my Robinhood account, I'm still sitting with about a third of that account in liquid cash. It was roughly about $400 sitting there liquid cash ready to buy either when I start swing trading again or to buy a stock that is undervalued that's pretty good. Of course, when I find one. As of right now, I am working towards opening up a TradeStation account so that way I can use their software to screen stocks and that kind of thing, and which will help me be able to live stream every single day for you guys. Maybe one day will be swing trading, another day will maybe be I don't know, how I'm operating my account. I'm just really trying to figure it out so that way I can come out with more content and then also be more transparent and have more interaction with you guys along the process. Like I was saying, that means I'm going to be live streaming 2 hours a day, and then also coming out with a daily video, investing video content. And I guess that means that I have a lot of work to go do. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Robinhood Portfolio. So this is the main screen that everything runs out of on here. And I know you're like, this is not the Robinhood app. Yeah, it's not. It's a lot easier to see the numbers on here than it is on the actual Robinhood app. So we could have done it on the desktop version, but I feel like this is just so much easier. And I understand this honestly so much better than I do on my app. These are the entry prices right here. This is about this is how big my account is right now as of the close of Friday. And then so on and so forth. These are the positions. Everything's color-coded: bond, REIT, dividend ETF, and then dividend stocks, gold stocks, long position, ETFs, and then here's some free stocks that I have. This is one that I'm kind of just speculative buying, and then GE is one that I also speculated buy as well, that I'm just kind of holding and seeing where it's going to go. Testing a strategy of mine, I guess, more or less. Further down the road, these are the stocks that I would be screening or have as my picker. And right now, Snapchat and PBR, 2 stocks that I follow basically forever. By the way, I've been tracking PBR since it was at $3, $4 a share, and I did buy actually around that. I bought at its 52-week low, gosh, 2-3 years ago. Unfortunately, I didn't hold. I sold out $7 or something. So I doubled my profit and then sold out, which I should have obviously continued to hold, but it is what it is, right? Live and you learn. Here's my percentages by breakdowns. I should have 5% into REITs, which means that I can put an additional $20 in here. If it's red, that means I need to put money in here. If it's negative, that means that I can sell or take money away, but I don't ever plan on selling. We're going to see where that goes, unless I get up, by 100% or something like that, then I'll contemplate it. My swing trades, like I said, 33%, and I haven't done any swing trades, so I got that money sitting liquid, plus some more money as well, sitting liquid as well. Long term, I actually was able to purchase some long-term stocks. I picked up some more XXII yesterday, and then I also picked up some more Smart and Final SFS last week as well. Both of them dropped pretty hard, so I picked both of those up. And then we'll go ahead and check out the actual swing trades by month, which if you look up here, March, I did $4.05 and took $2.03 home, which would be my take home, which right now I would like to see that a lot higher than that, but it's still, my account's still building, so it gets reinvested. My best and worst trades go. These are going to be my best and worst trades. NAT and JCPenney. Or JCP. Those are my best and worst trades. Those are my only trades for the day or for the month. As you can tell, I closed both of those on the 1st. And then the rest of them are going to be just dividends that I got paid this month, which is awesome. I love getting paid dividends. It's basically free money. So I made $2.48 in dividends this month. I took a total gross growth on my account of $29.79, which is awesome. That is not negative $58 in total gross. My account, my net growth on the account was $3.79, which means that is really good. I'm going to definitely start chipping away at this negative net growth that I had last month of $84. So it's good to see that we're green everywhere. As far as percent over swing trades, I did like 0.35%. So not a whole lot. Obviously, I didn't do any swing trading today or this month. And then percent of swing trades is 1% compared to the $400 that is sitting liquid. So the actual percentage that I allocate towards swing trades. So it's the money that I made off of swing trades towards the money that I allocate towards swing trades, and I made 1.05%. So that's nice. And then the percent of growth on the overall account is just 0.33%. So a little bit higher than what I would off of just swing trading. I'm pretty happy with the numbers this month, especially seeing that my other two accounts on Acorns and Robinhood were actually negative. It's nice to see that this one stayed positive, even though it was only a measly like $3.79. Go ahead and look at the overall picture here. So this is this month right here, March. I've closed my account at 1165.48. Last month, this definitely hurt me. So I still haven't broke January's original account, but in December I broke that. So I was able to stay above that below December, which I'm really, really happy with. But as far as like maybe looking into next month, the way that my account has been mimicking this pretty closely. I mean, with more fluctuation, I would say, but it looks like moving into April, we should get a pretty substantial bonus. I hope that that's the case. Cross my fingers. I don't know, but it would be nice to have. That was like $100 profit, $100 month there. It would be nice to have next month be sitting at my account at $1,265. That would be really, really good. That was like, it would be like the best present ever. We will go ahead and leave it right there. Let's go ahead and jump into the question of the day, which is, what's something common from your childhood that will seem strange to future generations? I think for us, it was using the pencil to wind up the cassette tapes to put back in the cassette player. Also, the fact that you could record like directly from the cassette tape, like that was literally cool. Like those two things, I think that those will be so strange. It would be like, this is the weirdest thing that you record on something that's analog and not digital. Like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business Etsy coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my Robinhood Recap February edition. Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.